Now that we have created a flow of income, as well as put 25% aside for savings, let's put a minimum of 10% of every dollar into yourself. Yes, invest your money in your most valuable asset, you. Stick around and I'll tell you how. You will reap what you sow. The more you put into you, the more you will get out of you. Therefore, you must invest in yourself if you expect more from yourself. Take 10% of your earnings and buy a book. Take a class. Download a course. Become a master income. Learn and know as much about it as you can. If your creative income requires better tools for better production, this is where you get your funding. Imagine if your flow of income comes from musical abilities. Buy a better microphone. Let's say you're into photography. Purchase a better camera. Buy a lighting kit. Whatever path you choose, invest in it. If you haven't decided what you would like to do for your creative income, don't worry about it. Put the 10% aside from your income that you already have as of yet, separate from your savings account. This is so when you do decide, you'll already have financial support from yourself to get your project up and running. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, why would you expect banks or anyone else in that fact to invest in you? Invest in yourself. 10%, a minimum, into becoming a creative master of your said project. Take care of your most valuable asset, yourself. Never quit learning. If you don't invest in you, banks won't invest in you either. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks.